Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert your Rev Points to money on Revolut. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. And in case you haven't signed up to Revolut yet, you can find a link in the description for a referral code to give you a small bonus as a start. So as you can see, currently right now we are on Revolut application. And so from here all we have to do is go to the bottom right where it says Rev Points. Now as you can see, currently we are on the standard plan, and so it's going to show us how many points we can get per amount of purchases that we do. So for me on the standard plan, it's around $15 per 1 point. Now to pay with it, you can scroll down until you see all the options for the products, and so one of them is called Pocket. Now for the Pocket, this is the one where it can generate directly from points to cash. And so for me, as you can see, it can show you the pockets that you have right now, and you can activate the reward. So as you can see from down, keep a minimum balance, receive your points daily, and withdraw money anytime. And so once you do that and activate your points, it will ask for this amount per year. And so it needs to have at least this much in the balance. And so this balance is around $1,000 to $1,500. So this is made for big purchases and big uses. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.